Make a mess is a common idiomatic expression that describes the act of creating disorder, chaos, or confusion in a physical or metaphorical sense. The phrase is often used to convey the idea of causing a situation or environment to become untidy, disorganized, or chaotic, sometimes unintentionally. In its literal sense, making a mess refers to the act of creating a disordered and untidy physical space. This can occur in various settings, such as a kitchen after cooking a complex meal, a child's room strewn with toys, or a workspace cluttered with documents and materials. When someone is said to have made a mess, it means they have left an area in a state of disarray. Metaphorically, making a mess extends beyond physical spaces and can refer to creating confusion, complications, or disruptions in various aspects of life. For example, in interpersonal relationships, a misunderstanding or a series of miscommunications can lead to individuals making a mess of their interactions, causing tension and conflict. In professional contexts, making a mess can describe a situation where poor planning, mismanagement, or unforeseen complications lead to a project or task becoming disorganized and inefficient. This can result in delays, wasted resources, and frustration among team members. In decision-making and problem-solving, individuals may sometimes make a mess by taking hasty or ill-considered actions that lead to unintended consequences or further complications. This can occur when one fails to think through the implications of their choices. In creative endeavors, artists, writers, and musicians may intentionally make a mess as part of their creative process. This involves experimenting, pushing boundaries, and allowing for chaos and disorder to inspire new ideas and breakthroughs. Making a mess is not always negative, as it can also signify a willingness to explore, take risks, and learn from one's mistakes. Some of the most significant discoveries and innovations in history have arisen from individuals and teams who were unafraid to make a mess in pursuit of new solutions or breakthroughs. Addressing a situation where someone has made a mess often requires cleaning up the physical mess or resolving the issues and complications caused by disorganization, confusion, or mismanagement. In personal relationships, it may involve open communication and conflict resolution. In a professional context, it might necessitate restructuring, reevaluating processes, and learning from mistakes to prevent future messes. In conclusion, making a mess is a versatile expression that can describe both physical disorder and metaphorical chaos or confusion in various aspects of life. It highlights the human tendency to sometimes create disorder or complications, whether unintentionally or as part of a creative process. Managing and rectifying these messes often require reflection, communication, and a proactive approach to restoring order and clarity.